Track 2.52. Unit 9. My Country. Exercise 2. Getting around Almaty.
How can you get around a city? Here are some options. Metro. If you want to get around a city, fast underground trains are great. In Almaty, this is a new form of transport. The first metro line under the city only opened in 2011 and, so far, is about 11 kilometers long with 9 stops. Almaty is only the second city in Central Asia to have a metro system. It runs from Reim-Bekbatir in the north to Moskva in the southwest of the city. In future, there will be 3 lines covering 45 kilometers. The system is popular and busy. 45,000 people use it every weekday. Buses. Buses are the most popular form of public transport in Almaty. There are 160 bus routes, and if you want to go to a village outside the city, they are very useful. Buses are often a source of pollution, but 800 of Almaty's buses now use gas for fuel. The city also introduced real-time information on where buses are, so it's now easier to plan journeys. The city is looking at buying electric buses in the future to reduce pollution and CO2 emissions. Trolley buses. There are 8 trolley bus routes in Almaty, with 195 new buses. Recently, the city bought new trolley buses. These are comfortable and an environmentally friendly way to travel in the city, as they use electricity, not petrol or diesel. Bikes. Like many big cities around the world, Almaty has got bikes you can rent. There are around 50 bike stations and over 250 bikes, but this is just the start of a bigger project. The bike stations are near metro stations and on main streets. You can hire the bikes for 30 minutes or up to a year. If you return the bike before 30 minutes, you don't have to pay anything.